Hello, everyone. Welcome to the presentation of my marketing plan for Bluegrass Montessori School. This marketing plan will discuss different ways to market or advertise our program in the community. So the first thing that we will talk about is our program tagline, Setting the Foundation for Education. As we all know, early childhood education is extremely important in the life of a child. So being a Montessori school, we will serve children ages 15 months through kindergarten, which will, in fact, set the foundation for what we hope to be positive educational experiences for each child in the future. This is our business letterhead. This letterhead will be used for any form of communication with families, community members. We will use this for formal and non-formal communication. It will be used to send things like tax letters to families or any form of important documentation that someone would need to know exactly where it came from. So this is what our business letterhead would look like. These are business cards. These business cards were designed at vistaprint.com. On the left, you see the front of the business card. It has the school name, the employee's name with their title directly underneath that. The bottom left corner shows our address, phone number, website, and then our logo, of course, is in the right hand corner. And then on the right side, you have the back of the card, which again has our tagline, Setting the Foundation for Education. As we all know, advertisement is extremely important for a program. I believe personally that word of mouth is the best form of advertisement that any program can have. If you're new to a community and you're looking for a school, you want to know what others in the community use or look for. So word of mouth is important. Other ways that we will do advertisement, social media, using our Facebook page, paying for ads on Facebook, things of that nature. Local newspaper, the Family Magazine out of Lexington, the American Montessori Society's website. We will post an ad, the ad that you see on the right-hand side in a local golf course guidebook. And then local events, attending local events and setting up a booth where we can talk to potential families face-to-face. And then hosting a community open house. I feel that this is really important. It allows families in the community to come into your school, see your program, what you have to offer. They can ask questions, voice concerns if they have them, but it's really a great opportunity, and families don't have to feel rushed during this time either. They can talk to staff, they can talk to teachers. This is a really great opportunity for both the school and the community. So this would be something that we would host early, and then depending on how it went, if we needed to, we could host it again closer to the start of the school year, or in the middle of the school year if we still needed enrollment. So that is our marketing and advertising plan. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day.